Okay, take a look at it. Much better now. We're not getting the over illuminated effects we were getting before without IBL lighting. Now we have the character which is being lit naturally into the scene based on what we see here on the imagery. So let's go ahead and let's go find the actual camera. Let's go back to the preview mode and let's go to the pose camera. There. Okay. And I want this to stay in terms of bounce light. However, I want to get a little bit more of a highlight along the right hand side of the character's body because the sunlight is strong coming from the top and it's not quite reflecting that here. So let's go back to our main camera. Although IBL lighting looks good, let's go back to the render tab so we can see what has been rendered. This looks fine. However, we need a stronger highlight coming across the body to reflect the strong daylight source. So we simply add another light. I'm going to go back to preview and right here select another light. Let's bring it on over. The light source is green, obviously. You're going to bring it right along the side. We need to match the light source that's in the scene. Color picker, match it here. And this is called light number 3. Let's keep that in mind. So as I move this around, you can see its effects on the model. Now I'm going to change the light type. Currently a spot. We can see that here. Let's go to infinite light. That's better. Let's bring it right along the edge. Now in the past we had gotten a very intense lighting result. Let's render this to see what happens, and if we have to bring down the intensity of lighting, then we absolutely will. So I'm going to keep it full for now, full intensity, and let's experiment here. Let's go Control or Command R once again, and let's see the effects here. I gave it a full render. Now something I have noticed about Poser is that when I give it an area render, it often takes longer than a full render. A full render seems to work a little bit quicker than just selecting a small portion. So alright, we can see right along their body we're getting a little stronger highlight. In fact, I might like to change this. Let's select it, and let's go back to here. I accidentally clicked on a different color. Alright, that's my side, and that's going to be, now that's light number 2. Let's go to light number 3. There. That's what we want. And we can bring it back into the side. That's better. I'm going to select it and choose, how about some lighting right up in here? Let's go grab this right off the side of the building. And let's pull the intensity forward. Oop, let's not move that one. Let's move this back to where it was. And it's so easy. You have to be careful where you grab things. It has to be right on there. And these nodes are so small, it's easy to accidentally click. Alright, so if we have a problem with selecting the lights, we can come right over here to the drop menu in your parameters or your properties and select the light that you want. In this case, it's going to be light number 3. And now we can grab our intensity slider and bring up the intensity to where we want it. Okay, let's go ahead and give it another render. Control R, and let's see the results this time.